Forget about that. Forget about who? Rex.
You already forgot about You already forgot about Rick.
He asked already who?
Forget about who's Rex.
Gotcha! Who's Rick?
You already forgot about Rex.
It's a joke.
I didn't get it at the first time as well, don't worry. But Rex was your brother. Who's your brother?
Rex is your brother.
Jason, your joke.
Is this some kind of an alcohol?
Huh?
Is this an alcohol?
Yeah, talent night.
Matador.
Where's Alvin?
What do we do with
Alvin is over there.
beers?
Drink.
Okay, this is the kind of drink. Can I say?
Oh, already.
That's another word for frustrated. Oh yeah. Frustrated.
Change it. Yeah, just for one day.
The next day we will.
This is a video. Yeah.
Celebrity and posing like that in the video.
Yeah.
We will play that.
Unfaithful.
Richard View.
Video. Ati Barbie.
Unfaithful.
Video.
Me, I'll catch me. You don't like me. Yeah.
Unfaithful. No, unfaithful. Desperate.
Yeah, you are. You are.
just your name.
The moves.
The moves.
The moves.
The moves.
Hard. Grandmaster mover. Color.
Really, you know that's not allowed.
Yes,
Not allowed
really.
to.
Love.
No, we're not allowed with subordinates. But once they get to the floor,
Yeah.
it's allowed.
Oh.
That's a natural. Because it's good at Oh, it's hard. It's hard. I'm about to give up. Oh, sorry. I'll put it in the shit there. Come on. I'm blushing. Come on.